Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, where we bring you the boldest, baddest, and most brilliant machines the world has to offer. Today, we're heading into extreme territory with a motorhome that's not just built for travel, it's built for survival. This is the 2025 Kenworth SnowDrifter LX, the ultimate cold-weather luxury motorhome. And let me tell you, this thing is a beast. From the outside, the SnowDrifter LX doesn't just look tough, it is tough. Built on Kenworth's T880 heavy-duty truck chassis, this rig is nearly 40 feet long, over 13 feet tall, and weighs in at a massive 37,000 pounds. But every inch is designed for performance in brutal winter conditions. Think reinforced thermal, insulation, a fully heated undercarriage, 6x6 drivetrain with snow traction mode, and an active stability system. Whether you're cruising through snowy back roads or setting up camp in the Arctic Circle, the SnowDrifter is ready. Let's talk power. Under the hood is a PACCAR MX-13 diesel engine delivering 510 horsepower and 1,850 pound-feet of torque. Prado 2. Power is routed through a smooth-shifting 12-speed automatic transmission, giving you serious torque on demand. Towing your snowmobiles? No problem. Climbing an icy mountain pass? This thing eats elevation for breakfast. Now, open the door, step inside, and you're instantly transported from rugged wilderness to five-star luxury. The interior of the SnowDrifter LX is nothing short of stunning. We're talking heated, hardwood floors, real walnut cabinetry, Italian leather recliners with massage and heat, and a digital fireplace that sets the mood after a long day in the cold. This motorhome comfortably sleeps four, but every inch feels premium. You've got panoramic dual-pane windows, blackout shades, and ambient lighting that adjusts to the time of day. Whether you're parked on a frozen lake or deep in the woods, you'll feel like you're in a luxury ski lodge. Now, let's talk about functionality. The kitchen is a chef's dream. Dual-zone induction cooktop, convection oven, full-size residential, smart fridge, and a deep stainless steel sink with filtered water. All appliances are energy efficient and can be controlled by the 15-inch Smart Hub touchscreen or via voice commands with Kenworth's integrated Smart Home AI system. The bathroom is equally impressive. A full rainfall shower with a fog-free mirror, a ceramic toilet with bidet functionality, heated towel racks, and a heated floor. It's like a spa on wheels, even if you're parked in sub-zero temperatures. Now for the off-grid lovers, this machine is ready for adventure. The SnowDrifter LX comes with 200 watts of roof-mounted solar panels, a 20 kWh lithium-ion battery system, and 150 gallons of fresh water. You've also got onboard filtration, a gray water heat system, and an optional generator. Translation? You can go off-grid for up to 3 weeks. No hookups needed. Driving this monster might seem intimidating, but Kenworth's got you covered. With air suspension, adaptive cruise control, a 360-degree camera system, lane assist, and heated mirrors, the drive is surprisingly smooth and quiet. The cab is insulated like a vault and features digital gauges, a heated captain's chair, and an advanced navigation system optimized for RV routes. Now let's talk numbers. The starting price of the 2025 Kenworth SnowDrifter LX is just under $1 million. That's a serious investment. But for hardcore travelers, winter warriors, and luxury adventurers, this rig offers something no other motorhome does. True all-weather capability, world-class luxury, and the freedom to go anywhere, anytime. So, Is the 2025 SnowDrifter LX the king of cold weather RVs? I think it's not just a motorhome, it's a statement. It says, you don't stop traveling just because the weather changes. You take your world with you, no matter where you go. Thanks for watching today's deep dive on the 2025 Kenworth SnowDrifter LX, right here on Honest Auto Wheels. If you love reviews like this, real machines, real performance, and honest opinions, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss a ride.